He's gearing us up for his sledgehammer. If that's not what they do in the actual record, I'm gonna be upset. Now for the fun part. This is my favorite thing to do. Just don't come for me in the comments.
Justin, are you ready to rock?
Ready to rock, Kevin. Hey everyone, I am Justin-Lee Schultz, 18 years old. I'm a musician and multi-instrumentalist. Been playing since I was 5 years old.
We're gonna play a game today. I'm gonna throw some songs at you that you may or may not have heard before, and you get to do whatever you want with it. It's a blank canvas. We're gonna give you the drums and we're gonna give you the vocals.
Yeah, I've heard this. Petals like, do you love me enough? I know this one. Hold on, hold on. I've heard this.
If you just lay down your tracks, you could have an airplane.
I'm trying to figure out who's singing. I don't think I've heard this.
If you bring your blue sky back, it's amusement never ends. I wanna be
This is the chorus.
You
got it.
This will be my testimony.
Is he saying I want to be your sledgehammer? Interesting. That's an interesting song. I'm still trying to figure out who's singing.
I will tell you at the very end of this.
Okay, perfect. Because I have like 2 people in mind that I think it might be. I won't say it now because I don't want to look like oh, he didn't know who that was, but you know. Usually when I produce, I probably go like section by section. This is where you got me, because this is my favorite thing to do. Just you can delete that. Cool.
Justin, something I should ask you because people will want to know. Do you have perfect pitch?
I do, yeah.
You do have,
I do.
I should have known. You have no idea where the song is going. You're just making it up as you go.
Yeah, I mean, it's fun. I love doing this. This is what I do in my room when I'm alone. So this is my first time doing it without actually knowing what the song sounds like. I'm so curious to know what the song sounds like.
I can't wait to show you the original after.
Yeah. Some finger E bass for the verse.
If you bring your blue sky back, all you do is call me.
Sledgehammer.
Sledgehammer. Why don't you call my name?
Finger E bass.
Open up your fruit cage.
I wanna be.
You better call the sledgehammer.
Can you play the next section? I just want to hear how long the bars are.
Show for me. Show for me. I will show for you. Yeah, 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 yeah. I do mean you.
Yo, that fits. That fits. I caught it.
Dude, it's outro jam time, baby.
If that's not what they do in the actual record, I'm gonna be upset. Because that's what they're doing in the vocal. Let's do one more layer so I can do that little the.
This will be my testimony. Yeah.
Okay, I'll put some piano on it now.
This is honestly one of our favorite challenges to give artists. Hearing a song for the very first time and seeing what they come up with in real time. It's such a cool reminder of how much creativity opens up when you really understand your instrument. And that's exactly what we want to help you experience with Musora. You'll learn how to play piano confidently with lessons that fit your schedule, guided by real teachers. And if you want to explore other instruments like drums, guitar, vocals, or even bass, it's all in the same app. So start your free 7-day trial today with the link below this video.
Verse time.
This amusement never ends. I wanna be.
I want to just think of a cool way we can transition into the B section. That's so unnecessary, but we'll probably
For
just
us
add
mere
that.
mortals, for us the people who don't have perfect pitch, what are you trying to do?
I know I want to do like a minor 2-5-1 to the B flat minor for the B section. So instead of going like this, you know, kind of doing the chromatic. And then there's kind of like melodies within the chords. So that's kind of like my guiding light to know what chords I want to play.
This amusement never ends. I wanna be.
Let's go into the B section.
Show me around your fruit cage.
Okay, one more time. I'll do that. Sorry, I was thinking of Sledgehammer.
I know, it was so funny. I saw you laughing.
Yeah, okay, let's try it again.
Oh, let me be your sledgehammer. This will be my testimony.
Imagine it's like, you know, when you're in the studio late nights and then you listen to it the next morning, it sucks. It doesn't completely suck.
It does not. It's the opposite of suck. There is zero suck in there.
'Cause I will be your honeybee. Open up your fruit cage.
Let's listen to the next part. You can call the sledgehammer. My mind's like going places. I'm like, what does this mean? What does this mean? Okay, sorry.
This can be my testimony.
Now for the fun part. Here is Justin-Lee Schultz messing up Sledgehammer. thank you, New York! Thank you, New York! MSG, thank you.
Oh my gosh, dude, what the heck? You took me like to another dimension there for a little bit, man. I was so into that.
Oh, thank you. And I'm so excited to hear the original.
Do you have any guesses as to like who it might be?
You know, I thought it sounded a little like Sting, but I don't think it's Sting.
It is Peter Gabriel, formerly of Genesis,
Oh, okay.
and the song is Sledgehammer.
Dramatic. He's gearing us up for his sledgehammer. That's so out of pocket.
So out of pocket.
I wasn't too far off with the synth bass. Like, you could be like end credits vibes, you know? Jurassic Park. Like the Tyrannosaurus Rex just like happily walking. Oh. Jam time. I really like the way that vocal is like stacked. Sounds like a talk box, like a vocoder. Ooh. I'm hoping they do that like 5. Well, here, let's see now. No! What? That's a missed opportunity, bro. I wasn't too far off, I don't think, of like kind of the chord structure. I think mine one is a little more churchy, you know, because I grew up in church, so I was just kind of going to that, even like, that's the only thing I was missing. I'm gonna confess and be very honest that I've heard of the band Genesis, but I don't think I've heard any Genesis records. I'm gonna confess something too. I don't know Peter Gabriel.
Okay, so this is your first time
Don't come for me in the comments.
Peter Gabriel.
Don't come for me in the comments.